I have a big...
Oh, no, you're not.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I've already done it.
Really? The reason why you haven't put it in four-wheel drive yet?
Yep. I want to test it up here because of a little wheel spin going up here.
Yeah. Oh God, they've really wrecked this since we've been here last.
That's about how it was.
It wasn't that bad down here because I was walking around back here and driving.
Back.
Gone over anything because it's
We'll go 4 high. Four drive lights on.
Woohoo!
Easy. Okay, so the 4 drive light comes on still.
Cool.
Yeah. Cool. Oh, here's the police.
Alright, they seem to be looking at us, so let's go.
Hey. Remember,
Yeah. Wait.
this is where we used to drive Scooby up.
I just don't remember there being so much sand. Holy dooly! Yeah, that's a bit different than last time I was here.
We used to drive Scooby up there, up the right side.
Wow. That must have been from the last big flood.
Yeah, it was. It was washed out before. I haven't been able to get this up there since we've had it.
Oh, thankful that you're clever and you were able to do all the work and stuff on the car. Oh, we need to get that cover on this car soon too. My favourite spot.
Wow, that's overgrown. We might not.
Oh dear. Oh, that's very dangerous. We might want to try and move that off the road.
We might not find the road where we need to walk down.
How's it looking?
Harley? I reckon we get through this.
You reckon?
Yep.
All right, let me just come down. Should have brought my sticks.
A bit of a hell of an angle, but
You want to try that? The first time by ourselves?
I didn't say I was going to try it right now.
Oh, okay. Okay, that makes me feel better because... What's that? Is that a body bag? Stop and I'll pick it up.
Just a pillow.
Can't leave it here.
No.
Bloody grots.
I have a big...
Oh, no, you're not.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I've already done it.
Really?
This is scary, I know what happens.
Here you go. I want to be in the car. We'll have to do it twice. How's it feeling in there?
I'm all right now.
Yeah, right. Okay. Shit! So what are you going to do? Go around this way? Alright, where do you want me, up here? I wanted to do it because we had that out of them. I'm glad we did this today and you didn't go out yesterday without me. This is fun. I need to come out.
This has never washed out like this before either.
No.
Oh,
that was my head on the side of the car, if you're wondering what that bang was, everybody. I didn't mean to talk over the top of you then. I was going to say we need to bring the clips out and shim up some of the...
This is all more overgrown.
Oh, we had so much rain though.
And this all used to be a level surface. It wasn't washed out like this.
I didn't think we got much rain last night.
No, this is not from last night. This is left over from after I turned around the other week.
Yeah.
There's a hammock. Not a hammock. A swag.
So someone's in it.
It does, doesn't it?
Could be. It's close enough for road.
Mm.
There could be a dead body in there, you know.
Yeah. Might be why the cops are down here.
We go check.
No. Yeah, like this is all much more open.
Yes.
Before what the March storms.
Yeah.
And this was, that got me on the ear.
I might want to put your window up, love.
And this is much more level. It wasn't. It had no washouts like like this one here.
And it didn't attack you as bad.
Yeah. You can come in through the window and smack you in the ear hole.
Watch out, this one's going to come in too. Oh, darling Mitts. You're such a good girl.
We're going to let the tyres down.
Oh, there's a little bit of water down there.
Yeah. I like to hear the other week and just chuck the Yui too.
Yeah, that's how we can't use. Oh.
Yeah, look how much more overgrown that is.
Yeah,
Like we used to go through here
with no problem.
and just have a little bit, but we're pushing through shit there.